Rubbermaid offers a complete line of color-coded microfiber cloths to help match specific cleaning tasks with specific colored cloths to help reduce the risk of cross-transmission. There are also color-matched pails for preparing the microfiber cloths. For cleaning in the operating room, the red and green cloths should be pre-moistened as follows. To prepare the red microfiber cloth, you should use a red 5-quart pail. In this example, we will prepare 8 cloths, so we pour 32 ounces of cleaning solution into a red pail. That's 4 ounces per cloth. After filling, put the pail in the top of the cart. Slowly put 8 folded red microfiber cloths down into the pail. The cloths will rapidly absorb the cleaning solution. Repeat the same procedure, filling a green pail with cleaning solution and placing it in the top of the cart. Slowly place 8 green folded microfiber cloths into the pail. To refill the pails and prep more cloths while away from the maintenance closet, fill and label 32-ounce pour bottles with cleaning solution and store them in the cart. Remember to store additional textiles and supplies, like the hygiene microfiber cloths, on the shelves within the cart.